Is your STC Bank showing you this ID verification? That means you should update your ID within 90 days. In this video, I will show you exactly how to do it, and let's get started. Once you open your STC Bank app, it will show you verify your ID and tap on verify, and it will take you to this page. Tap on open Absher app. Now it will take you to Play Store. Tap on open. Now open your Absher app. I have to verify my own before I can open it. Now here is the point. You have to reject or accept it. Now tap on accept. Now verify your identity on your Absher app. Now your verification has successfully. The next thing to do is to go back to your STC Bank app. You see, you have completed your verification successfully. It's easy, right? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you are watching on TikTok or Facebook, drop a follow for more Saudi video. Thank you.